Hey everyone, welcome back to WP Design Lab. If you want your Elementor website to look more modern, premium, and interactive, then you're going to love this widget. Just look at this. As I move my mouse around the card, the glowing border follows the cursor. The card responds with a beautiful lighting effect, realistic glare reflections, and even optional 3D movement. You can create this stunning interactive effect on your own Elementor website using the Glowing Edge Card Widget for Elementor. Before we begin, make sure you've installed the plugin. You can find the download link in the video description below. Next, open the page you want to edit with Elementor. Search for Glowing Edge Card in the Elementor widget panel. Drag the widget onto your page. Immediately, you'll see a beautiful interactive card appear. The widget is fully responsive and works perfectly on desktop, tablet, and mobile devices. Let's start with the content settings. From here, you can add your own icon, title, description, button text, and button link. This makes it easy to create feature cards, service highlights, call to action sections, pricing cards, and much more, all directly inside Elementor. Now let's take a quick look at the Style tab. This is where you can customize the overall look and feel of the card. You can adjust things like the card width, height, background, colors, spacing, typography, icon styling, button design, border radius, glow effects, and much more. I'll make a few changes here so you can see how easy it is to create a completely different design and match the card with your website's branding. For the card background, you can use solid colors, gradients, or even custom background images. The widget comes with a beautiful default gradient design, but you can easily customize it to match your own style. Now let's look at the widget's standout feature, the interactive edge glow. As visitors move their mouse across the card, the glow follows the cursor in real time, creating a beautiful dynamic lighting effect around the edges. You can easily customize the look by adjusting the primary and secondary glow colors, glow blur, glow boost, and other glow settings to match your website's design. Next, let's enable the 3D tilt effect. As you move the cursor over the card, it responds with a smooth 3D animation that adds depth and interactivity. You can adjust the tilt amount, scale, and other settings to achieve the perfect look, or disable the effect at any time with a single click. You'll also find styling options for the icon, title, description, and button, allowing you to easily adjust their size, colors. For this tutorial, I'm simply going to duplicate the first card and make a few minor changes to create a different variation. Once that's done, let's update the page and see how everything looks on the live website. And that's it. In just a few minutes, we've created a beautiful interactive card with edge glow effects, glare reflections, optional 3D tilt, custom backgrounds, and full Elementor customization options. If you'd like to use this widget on your own website, the plugin download link is available in the video description. Simply download, install, and activate it, then start creating your own interactive glow cards in Elementor. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe to WP Design Lab for more Elementor tutorials, effects, and free widgets. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.